Okay, in this video we're going to talk about different settings that we want for our survey. So we have the completed survey with just a few questions. What I want to do now is I want to make sure that we have a few different settings that's going to make sure that we have a successful survey. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start by requiring a few different things, specifically collecting email data. So I'm going to click here at this wheel or the settings button. I'm going to make sure I just click collect email addresses, and I'm also going to only allow one response. That way students won't be able to put like 100 responses, and we want to collect the email to make sure that if something goes wrong, then we know how to track that person down. Okay, I'm not going to let students edit after submit. And you may or may not want to let students see summary charts and text responses. That's really up to you. I don't really care about that part, but please make sure you collect the email addresses and limit to one response. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save, and the last thing I'm going to talk about is just how to kind of make this more personalized. First of all, I'm going to title this. Just going to click here, and we're going to title this Halloween Party Survey. I'm also, for my example, I'm just going to put Mr. Trans example as well. And I'm going to change the theme or the color of this just to personalize it a little bit. Let's go ahead and we could kind of click choose image, and we could add an image over the background. I'm not going to do so. We change the type of font. Okay, if you notice the fonts are changing right there, it's playful. We can make it formal, decorative. So it's up to you what you want to do with that. The next thing is we could choose the background color. Since it's Halloween, maybe I'll go ahead and choose orange. If it's not the exact color I want to do, I could add a custom color, and I could modify it exactly how I want there if I want to. We could change kind of the background here as well. Okay, make it light, medium, dark, or just plain white, or gray, I'm sorry. So those are a few different ways you could customize your survey, but for the most part our surveys are going to look very similar.